Hey Cameron, this is how you can take apart the tablet and hopefully fix it. Basically, you got your battery thing, take that out, take this out. You got six screws on the sides here. One, two, three, four, five, six. Then there's seven and eight and nine. Okay, nine screws. Take that off. Hold on one second here. This is what it looks like when you open up your famous tablet. You got this rubber thing, save that. Your electromagnetic foil kind of thing, save that. And then the circuit board. Basically, wipe this surface down with like an alcohol type swab type thing. Like I said, after eating wings at a restaurant. Then remove these little two pieces of tape on the connectors at the top. You see that there? Peel that back. And also peel this one back. Okay, and then there's these two white clips. Push them, well, down is what it looks like to you. And then you can remove the connector here. There's some shadow. The connector actually comes out of that little sleeve. So you push these down, and it kind of separates. And you just slide it out. Okay, wipe these surfaces down also, back and front, with the alcohol swab. Then, reassemble pretty gently, but should be doable. Let me know if you give it a try tonight. I'll help you out as best I can. Thanks, bud.